In this video, I'll show you how to install Outlook and Office apps on iOS device. This video is really for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now go to your app store. If you love to install Office apps, that is Microsoft apps, what you need to do, just come on to this shop, to this search. What you need, just come on and type in Microsoft. So you want to install Office apps on your iOS device. So right now you're going to be able to see Microsoft Word, Microsoft Outlook. So if you love to install the Outlook, just click on this Get. You're going to be able to install it here on your device. Now you can be able to also see Office 365 Copilot. You can be able to also see Microsoft Edge, like all of this. So you're going to be able to select the one that is best fit for you to be able to do this. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.